In this video, we're going to unfold the UVs of Humpty Dumpty. First, we're going to change the workspace to UV editing. And here, make sure to check the view shaded. Now, I'm going to map the whole object. To do that, select our model, shift right click, mapping, and look for planar map Z. Okay. Next, we're going to use edge mode and we're going to cut to more manageable pieces. I will cut the arm, double click to select the edge loop, and here in our UV toolkit, look for cut and sew and click cut. Do the same to the other side, double click, cut. Next, for the legs, select the edge loop, okay, and then cut. Other side, cut. Next, wrist, double click, cut. Other side, double click, cut. Next, shoes, cut. Cut. Going back here to our UV editor, right click UV, double click, W set aside, double click, W set aside, okay. Now I will start unfolding the head. First, I will cut this portion, this edge, up to this portion. Okay? Cut. After doing that, right click UV, double click, and here in our UV toolkit, scroll down, look for unfold, and click unfold. Okay? Next, for the arm, edge mode, I will cut these edges, hold shift, double click, cut. Same with other side, starting from this edge to this edge, I'm holding shift, double click, cut. Next, right click UV, double click, unfold. And then here, right click UV, double click, unfold. Rotate manually. Okay, I'm just using the QWERTY tools. Next, for the legs, I want to put the cut on the inner thigh. So edge mode, Starting from this edge, shift, double click, cut, other side, select this edge, shift, double click, cut, going back here to our UV editor, right click UV, double click, unfold, rotate manually, double click, unfold, okay. Next, for the hand, I will cut the top and bottom portion. Okay, cut, other side, cut, next, right click UV, select them, unfold, here's the top UV and the bottom UV shell. Select the UVs, unfold, here's the top UV and UVs at the bottom. Okay. Next, for the shoes, edge mode, cut, other side, okay, cut, right click UV, select them, unfold, okay. Select shell, or I can just use face mode. Okay, and use mapping, up and down Y, right click UV, double click, shift double click, W, set aside. This time I'm going to use flip, so look for transform, and I'm going to flip up and down. So flip V. Flip. Okay. Next, going back to unfold, click unfold. You may rescale them. Rotate manually. Next, for the eyebrow, edge, double click, cut, double click, cut, right click UV, double click, shift double click, W, okay. For the red UVs, we need to flip them. This time, flip up and down. Next, select all of the UVs, unfold, and we need to lay out here in quadrant 1. Select the UV shells, lay out in quadrant 1, rescale, arm, select them, lay out in quadrant 1, legs, then the small parts, hand, shoes, and eyebrows. Okay, go back to object mode, and here's our UV snapshot. Go back to general. As you can see, we have plenty of history. So I will click center pivot, delete history, and freeze transformation. That's it.